How to recover deleted photos and videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can recover deleted photos and videos on your Android device. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. So if you've ever mistakenly just deleted a photo or a video from your gallery, this is what you do. First, locate your gallery and then open it up. After you do that, you'll find yourself in this section where you can see all of your photos and videos. What you'll need to do is tap on the albums section. So depending on your Android version or your device version, your device or the UI will look different in everybody. So basically just go to the albums section of your gallery first, and after you're on the albums section, scroll down and at the bottom you'll find recently deleted. Now this is same for all the Android devices, just the UI is going to look different. So there you'll find the recently deleted option. Tap on it and go through the verification. After you do that, you'll find the list of all of your deleted videos and photos. All you have to do to recover them is select the video. Then you'll find the recover button right here. Tap on it and tap on restore. After you tap on restore, the video and the photo or whatever you select will get restored. And that's how you recover deleted photos and videos. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.